custom low indicators that are offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, it begins to draw support and resistance levels of different time frames on the price chart. When the price hits these levels, it issues an alert for us. Here, we can observe the support and resistance levels of various time frames, ranging from 1 minute to monthly, displayed for us. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can set the time period for the indicator's calculation, which is computed for all time frames in this section. When we set the period, it determines the high and low of different time frames according to the selected period. For example, here our default period is the number BT20. It determines and plots the high and low of 20 candles for the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute, 4-hour daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. In the next section, we can adjust the size of the labels in the following sections. There are settings that are the same for all time frames. From 1 minute to monthly, we can choose whether to display or not display the support and resistance levels of the selected time frame, the color of the level drawing, and the style of the level drawing, which can be solid, dash, dot, and other options. And in the last section, you can adjust the size of the line drawings here, where we can change all the settings in all cases. In the next section, there are alert settings where we can enable or disable the alert sending status. If this option is enabled, we can also change the other settings. In the next section, we can enable or disable the sound alert status, and if this option is enabled, we can select the sound file here. And in the last section, we can enable or disable the status of sending alerts to the mailbox. Here we see that we are in a 1 hour time frame and the price has reacted to the low of the 4 hour range by moving downward and then moved upward. Or in this section, with an upward movement. It has formed an eye for us, and with a downward movement and a pullback upward, we see that it has hit the 1 hour highs twice and has not succeeded in breaking the monthly levels here. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you share your opinions and suggestions with us in the comments section.